So I'm here on the 99E highway, about 17 miles from Eugene, Oregon, 97 miles from Portland, in this little farming community. Now, this is an unincorporated town called Lancaster, and the lady that owns the town, well, her son happens to own the only restaurant in town. Now, you think that's interesting? Wait till you see the menu. This is Junkyard Extreme Burger and Brats.
Okay, I've got a Wisconsin and a Chicago.
I'm a big eater, and I like big hamburgers and big hot dogs, and this is definitely it.
You can expect to get messy.
We never suffer from lack of food when we come here.
And that's how owners Craig and Kim Zumwalt like it, big and bold. After working in Nashville's music biz, Craig headed back home and opened this place in '06. How many people live here in Lancaster?
Probably about 30.
Wow. Is this a trailer?
It's a race trailer.
And then you built the shed on next to it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, I've got a party in your mouth and a fried cheese pizza.
Today I'm having the fried cheese pizza. The best part is the cheese, and that's what the crust is.
And what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make crustless pizza. It's a fried cheese pizza.
The Temple of Health. You guys should have a gym right next to this place. All right, let's hit it.
Take our pineapple right over here to the grill. Boom. We're gonna take our Parmesan, about like so. Cheddar, onion, a little gorgonzola,
All the members of the cheese family are showing up for this.
pepperoni. Throw a little mozzarella on there.
More cheese.
More cheese. Now we're gonna run that homemade pizza sauce right across here. And a little olive. Now we're gonna throw on our grilled pineapple. Then our in-house pesto. Take our dome. Voila. Cooks for maybe 2.5, 3 minutes. So we're gonna top it with some sliced tomatoes. We're gonna cut it.
Wow, that holds up a lot better than I thought it was going to.
Mm-hmm.
This right here is just a gigantic thing of that crunchy fried cheese that you love on the outside of a quesadilla. The fact that you put toppings on it, God, it's crazy. Look at that. Fried cheese, can't beat it.
Hey, here, Carrie, here's your fried cheese pizza.
It's extremely addicting. You have to share it. Everybody wants to try it.
I've never seen a fried cheese pizza anywhere else.
Junkyard is unique foods that you just can't find anywhere else.
This is a hidden gem.
I'm telling you, dude, we've seen some crazy stuff on Triple D.
Yeah.
This is up there. Crazy Craig in the car carrier.
Loving it.
Very nice, brother.